This massive facility transforms wild-caught fish into highly purified omega-3 oil.
Fresh fish are brought to the processing facility as quickly as possible to preserve freshness.
The freshly caught fish now enter the high-capacity receiving system. Before processing, the incoming fish are checked for freshness and suitability. The whole fish are washed and cleaned before entering the cooking line. Where required, larger fish are reduced to a more uniform size for consistent thermal processing. Controlled heating coagulates the fish proteins and releases much of the oil and water. Free liquid is removed first, making the cooked material easier to press.
The twin screw press separates the cooked fish into press liquor and solid press cake.
The press liquor still contains oil, water, and fine solids, so the mixture is clarified before oil separation. Centrifugal force separates the lighter oil from water and remaining fine solids. The recovered crude fish oil is polished to remove remaining water and fine impurities. The polished oil is transferred through a close for further purification. The oil now passes through controlled purification before its high-purity omega-3 processing. Molecular distillation under vacuum removes unwanted contaminants and other undesirable compounds. For higher strength formulas, the purified oil is further concentrated to increase the omega-3 content.
Throughout manufacturing, the oil is protected in a nitrogen-rich environment to help preserve freshness. Samples are tested for purity, freshness, and composition before the oil is released for bottling. For the lemon liquid formula, the purified omega-3 oil is carefully blended into the final formulation.
The final liquid is checked again before it enters the filling line. Clean, inspected blue glass bottles are positioned for the final liquid filling.
The finished omega-3 liquid is precisely filled into the blue glass bottles. Each bottle is sealed with a secure black screw cap before final inspection. The sealed bottles receive their final product labels with precision.
Finished bottles are now prepared for distribution to markets around the world.